years old.
Ethan is 6 years old, and who taught you your talent? Who taught you, who taught you singing?
Mommy.
Okay, si Mami po ang nagturo sa kanya ng talent. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po natin our contestant number 5, Ethan Pierre Lasso.
Just not cry with the sign of the times. Welcome to the final song. Open your eyes.
Lacson. And now, Ethan, one of our judges will ask you a question. So, this is a Ma'am Adonna. So, hear it from her.
Hello? Ethan?
Hello.
I want to know what's your favorite food here in SA? Jollibee.
Yeah. Alright, palakpakan naman po natin si Ethan. Our next contestant.